Okay, it completed the health check and it says it detected some warning. Let's go ahead and take a look at what those warnings are. So in this case, it says it doesn't meet the memory and the CPU minimum requirement. I know this is just the demo configuration, so I'm just going to go ahead and ignore this, and let's go ahead and continue with the install. So this destination folder is the location where the binaries and the config files are going to get copied, and this is the physical directory that corresponds to the proxy virtual directory. So I'm going to just go ahead and stick to the default. Okay, so this is the location where the proxy is going to cache all the files. So we would recommend that you point this to a disk where you have a lot of free disk space, and it's a kind of a high performance disk. We will be providing some guidelines around this as part of our admin uninstall guide. So for now I'm just going to leave that as the default as well. So this is a step where you need to specify what is the service account that will be used to what is the service account the proxy runs as. So in the earlier versions we used to say that use the same service account as your application tier service account, but later we realized that it won't work in some cases. For instance, let's say proxy is caching files from multiple application tiers. In that case we really don't know, like, okay, which application tier service account are we talking about. That's a problem. The second issue is the administrator for the application tier may be in the corporate office, and then there can be multiple proxies that are pointing to the application tier, and each such proxy in those remote locations may have different set of administrators. So there is no way for an administrator of a proxy at a remote location to know like what service account was used to execute the Team Foundation application tier. Also, there are cases like, how do I do the password maintenance, and I don't want to reveal my application tier service account password to some local administrator at